Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So this is yet another video regarding the off-campus hiring by Infosys and Bitwise. So in this video, we'll be discussing what are the eligible criteria, what is the package offered, which opening, how to apply, every details regarding that. So now let's start into this video. So let's start with Infosys. So first thing that I would like to inform that we used to check our links. I mean, whenever we are explaining the videos, we are checking the links before we present it to you. But soon after we make the videos, we upload it. By then, some of the applications, some of the links will be getting saturated by the applicants. So they'll be withdrawing the links. Okay. So that's what happening. We are not presenting before you the expired link. And there is one criteria. And other cases, see, you can just watch when I reload this page. It will be showing the link is expired. The job has expired, but after a few minutes, it's reloading again. It means there is some vacant spaces. I mean, they're accepting the openings, I mean, applications too. So in case if you just got a message like the job is expired, just reload once again. Just wait for a moment and reload once again. Due to some server issues too, this message can come. And this have been mentioned in so much video, but still we used to get the comments. So before you make some questions or queries, you just watch this video. It will be explained in the video itself. So let's get started with this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. So now let's get started. The links to apply date will be there in the description box. So Infosys is hiring for systems engineer trainee. It's opening for freshers with 0 years of experience. Like experienced also can apply. Okay, they've provided 0 years of experience. I mean, in last videos regarding the Infosys, they've asked why this previous Infosys or not, if why they are asked. So even in case of entry level jobs like 1 to 2 years experience can also apply, but they're looking for it is an opening for freshers. Even experience can give it a try. Okay, so coming to the educational requirements, they are looking for the bachelor's of engineering students. Responsibilities you'll be handling is monitoring calls, mails, infrastructure and application alert monitoring, logging, classification, prioritization, triage, and tracking incidents till closure. Now, the additional responsibilities are Linux, automation, e-commerce, and technical and professional requirements are knowledge on below, like networks, servers, client-server technology, cloud computing, infrastructure services, backend services or components of website, microservices, software testing, and types of software testing lifecycle models. Now, the preferred skills are monitoring tools, networking, infrastructure security, or email. Okay, so they have clearly mentioned the graduation type as Bachelor's of Engineering, that is Bachelor's of B or BTech students, and streams is not defined, but the knowledge or the technical professional requirements they're looking forward is based on the computer science and information technology. So if you have knowledge, if you're not a computer science student too, if you have knowledge in these many streams, then you can definitely apply. So this is very important. Have a look at it, and to apply for this, you can go to this apply position, apply link, and the package to this is approximately 4 lakh, 3 to 4 lakh per annum. So it's a good package, obviously. So to apply, you can click this apply link button. So if you have already created your profile in Infosys Career, you'll be getting onto that, and your previously mentioned details will be there. You can edit your profile as well in case if there is any updations, and you have to provide all the basic details, everything regarding that, and you can submit. Okay, you can submit for this position. So this is all about Infosys. So now moving on to the other, which is Bitwise. So Bitwise is hiring for 3 positions like Java developer, full stack developer, and PL SQL developer. So their selection process is for 3 stages, according to 3 stages, like online assessment, technical interview, and final interview. And the third stage is HR interview. So whoever got selection from online assessment will be passed to the second and hence. Okay, so this is the filtration process too. Now coming to the important guidelines is that after the online assessment, you must be available for the online interview process too, and you must be available for immediate joining. So these 3 process will be taking under within a 1 month of duration. So in case of that, you must be available. If 2021 passing out graduates must be available to join within this time of process. Okay. Now moving on to the other, that is guidelines. They have clearly mentioned, you must have your resume before the registration process, and your 12th and 10th scores must be in percentage, not in CGPA. Now, the test duration is 2 hours. You have to take it at one go, no breaking in between, no breaks in between. Now, moving on to the job cards. As I've mentioned, there is 2 openings. So first is Java developer. It's approximately 4 lakhs, approximately to the 4 lakh per annum. Every 3 of those job options are available in the location Pune, Maharashtra, and Pune, Maharashtra. Now moving on to the job description. Java developer required skill sets are core Java, Spring, Spring Boot, Unix, Shell script, SQL, REST services, etc. So job description too, you'll be handling all these, and you must have a good communication skill too. Now, eligible criteria is this is opening for engineering students, bachelor's in engineering. Graduation year is 2018, 19, 20, and 2021. And eligible percentage in secondary, senior secondary graduation is above 60% for all these 3 jobs from Bitwise. Now, streams are computer science and engineering, information and technology, required skills as same as mentioned above. Now moving on to the other opening, which is full stack developer, same package, same location, and eligible criteria is also same. I mean, they're looking forward for the person who's code Java, JavaScript, SQL statements, analyze the requirements and identify the test scenarios and write associated test cases, should have knowledge on test or defect management tools, should have knowledge of source code management tools like Git, GitLab or equivalent, self-starter with strong interpersonal and communication skills, understand how to work around critical situations, strong logical and analytical skills. So this is also for 2018, 19, 20 and 21 pass out batches. Now eligible criteria same. Now moving on to the third, which is PL SQL developer. So you must know the details. I mean, you must have these like strong technical skills with Oracle, PL SQL, stored procedures and functions in developing TSQL stored procedures, performance tuning of TSQL stored procedures, ability to use PowerShell scripting for automation, excellent working knowledge of relational database, strong problem solving skills and logical analytical thought process, excellent communication, verbal and written, must be self-starter and enjoys working in a collaborative team focused environment. So these are the required skills. So basically for the 2 things, required skills are same. The third one is different. So you can go through that, and every other requirements is same. So schedulement process is start date is on 19th of this month, and it's going to end by 23rd. You can make your registration before that. And first you have to verify your email address as the first stage of your registration. After that, you have to provide all your personal details regarding your profile, your education, everything, and you can submit. This is how you have to apply for Bitwise. Approximately 3 to 4 lakhs is the package offered by both of this. And once more, we are repeating, we used to provide the links which is verified in beforehand, and we'll be providing it. And soon after we put the videos, there were chances like so much applicants will be applying for the position. If it is saturated, they'll be withdrawing the link. At times, due to server issues too, the link may show the error expired message, but just wait and just reload it. We are not providing you with expired link at all. It is completely for, we're just making it for you. So we are not providing the expired links. So you can have a look at it and make your registration. This is all about the openings in Infosys and Bitwise. Once more, I would like to make a reminder from online study for you that we are providing 21 days of crash course session, which enrollment have been started on 9th of April and it's going to end by 30th of April. So you can make your enrollment at the earliest. It's a live session. You'll be getting individual attention. Recorded videos are also available under this package. So in case of revision, you'll be getting enough time and enough materials to go on with it. And this whole package is available to you at just rupees 249, which is completely worthy and affordable. So this is all about the openings and the courses that we offer before you. Until I come up with another video regarding the recruitment process, thank you. And if you have any doubts regarding the video, you can let us know in the comment section. And also, if you have any suggestions regarding the contents that we present before you, that also you can make in the comment section, or you can mail to onlinestudyforyou@gmail.com. And you can join our Telegram. We are putting forward so much posts and knowing your requirements and putting forward the contents that you are really looking forward for. So that's all. So until I come up with another video, thank you and stay tuned to Online Study for You.